What's going on, everybody? It's Neon Snail out on another adventure. It's really cold. It's too cold to be riding, so I mean, it's nice if you're going like 30, but that wind chill is cold. So it's too cold to really ride, so I'm just gonna take a hike. It's a perfect day for a hike. So we're just riding to somewhere where we can hike. Somewhere close, an easy hike. So watch out for the school bus. I'm a bunny. I'm a bunny. I'm a bunny. I want to see the school bus though. That's an obscure reference.
I'm a bunny. I'm a bunny. I'm a bunny. I'm a bunny rabbit.
Would you like to do the bunny?
I'm a bunny.
Bunny.
Oh, that's a school bus. It's a school bus. It's a school bus. Look at school bus.
Another school bus. Hey, school bus. I'm a bunny. I'm a bunny. Bunny, 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 bunny. Why does everyone go so slow? Here for a nice quick hike. I wouldn't really call it a hike, it's more like a walk. Just go for a quick walk. They totally ruined this park by putting a bunch of fences up, but it's still pretty, whatever. Bike parking. Where's bike parking? Oh, that's a problem. If you have these, make sure you turn them off. Very creative. Very creative. Yeah, I feel like a sheep right now. Fences on both sides. Bah. Look at my feet. Here's something funny I just thought of that's biker related. So when you're hiking and you come across other hikers, they usually nod or say hi, sort of like the biker wave. So So when you're riding, it's the same thing. You get the wave. If they don't wave at you, it's like, you asshole Harley rider or sport bike rider. Same with hiking. Funny. It's funny. Just got passed by a old man car. That's not good. Guess I'm gonna go home and finish my laundry now. That's about it, really. That's about it. Well, this is Neon Snail. Thanks for walking with me, running. And I'm gonna go back into my cave now, so adios.